I told you not to hurt your brother. Huh? Why did you bite Acre's feet? Acre got hurt. What do you want to tell Acre? Did you said sorry? You said sorry to Acre? You're angry and you're saying sorry? You're angry? You know what? I'll tell Papa you beaten Acre on the nail, on the toe. I'll tell Papa so that Papa will hurt you like this. What do you want to tell Acre? What do you want to say to Acre? You say, sorry, Acre. You're not gonna hurt Acre anymore, okay? Don't hurt your brother. That's too bad. He is just a baby. Baby. Why did you hurt Acre? I just heard Acre cried out so loud. Acre cried out so loud. Where did you bite Acre? Where did you bite Acre? There? How did you do that? How did you do that? How did you bite Acre? Like that? Oh no!